Hi and welcome to Pete's Amazing Helicopter Video. In this video we see Mr. Peter Lawrence fly a helicopter.
Yeah.
This is Pete.
Yeah. What's the name? It's Pete Lawrence. Yeah, Pete Lawrence, trainee pilot. Yes.
In this program we travel to High Wycombe Heli Air where we met the staff.
This is Heliair. We're a flight training school and maintenance organisation, the largest importer of Robinson R44 helicopters and 22s, the most reliable piston engine aircraft in the UK at the moment, and that's what Pete will be flying today. So hopefully he'll enjoy himself.
And now Pete goes forward for his briefing of a helicopter expert. The instructor explained in great detail exactly what had to be done. After the briefing, Pete went forward to fly his helicopter. Pete turned out to be an excellent pilot and was able to pull off many maneuvers in the air. With one final flight towards the veering platform, Pete made an expert landing.
It was good, really good. It was incredibly hard to get the hang of the fact that every control affects all the other ones as well. So it's absolutely amazing. I'm now doing like these tiny little moves, just keep, and he's like, right, okay, we're going. Yeah, I thought it was good. He's a very good teacher. I thought it was extremely calm, and I thought it was very helpful indeed. And I was thinking it's pretty much like a toy helicopter, and I thought, is it going to actually cope with my weight? And but then as soon as he got in, it was all very miniature. Yeah, I was quite confident in the machine. The best bit about it was just being handed over control, because I would shadow his hand movements, foot movements, and then after that it's kind of you have control, and then you're doing it yourself. And you sometimes it's hard. You think, is this guy actually still flying it, or am I doing it myself? And then you realise that you are actually flying it yourself, and you're actually doing it, and then you start thinking, I'm doing it, and then you suddenly veer off course, and because you lose your concentration. But that moment of thinking, this is me, I'm doing this, and yeah, it was great. It was great fun. I'd have to look through, see how much it is, but I'd love to do it again. But I don't know if it's financially whether it's worth doing. But definitely recommend it for a trial lesson, just to see what it's like, see what it's all about. It's very addictive. I'd love to do it again.